Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check your phone CPU. So you have to just open the settings, so you can there see the specifications of this phone, and you will open the settings and you will find the about phone. Scroll down to find about phone. So you have to click about phone. So when it's open, so there are the all specifications. So this arrow becomes the processor, means CPU, central processor unit. So every mobile you can go to the settings and go to about phone, and there is all space, and there you can see the processor, CPU in short form. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.